Alrighty, the final thing we've been told to do in Singapore is check out the airport. So we've just checked our bags in early.
We have about just under 4.5 hours before our flight leaves to check out Changi Airport.
So let's see what there is.
See what there is? We need to find a toilet. Walking through these bamboo trees to find the waterfall. Wow. That is so cool.
Holy moly.
That is crazy. Look at that.
Wicked.
And look at this, you can do a spin class. Or watching the waterfall. What is this place?
This legit feels like we're in Jurassic Park.
What the heck?
And we're going up there to that sky trampoline thing.
Yes, let's go. This place is huge. So the top of the jewel section, there's so much to do, but it's all ticketed. So we're just going to look at it from afar. It looks awesome.
There's a trampoline, mirror maze, hedge maze, canopy walk.
But we're going to go find some other stuff.
Yeah, we'll go find a seat to sit on. Nice.
Like what can be found in each terminal. Boarding's at 4:30. It's now 1:20. I'm on 8,900 steps. Still don't know which terminal we'll need to be in for our flight.
We got the old air tags in the bag, and looks like our bags are at Terminal 1, so let's go see if our flight's leaving at Terminal 1.
Kuala Lumpur, 5:20. Terminal 1. We're going to go Terminal 3, Terminal 2, Terminal 1, and our flight is in Terminal 1. Attraction number 1 on Terminal 3 are these two nuts. In an airport. That is crazy.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours.
Free movie theater. How good is this?
What a great movie that was.
Yeah, that was such a good movie. The plot was just happy on edge.
And what movie was that, Maddie?
So there may be a couple of other things in Terminal 3, but we're going to head over to Terminal 2 and we're going to catch the SkyTrain.
Welcome to Terminal 2.
Things to do. Ooh, that looks pretty. Let's go there. It's a pretty garden thing.
Trippy chimes.
Are we allowed to walk through it or wow. We'll stop for the bit of koi fish. Look at that. What is this? Look at all the fish. Hello, little fishies. soldier. Unless they're sucky fish.
Oh yeah, they are.
No, he's alive. They're fine. Alright, on to the next. I'm pretty excited for the snooze lounge. I think I found the snooze lounge. No free beds. Guys, it really is a sunflower garden.
No way.
Oh my god!
So cool.
Hello, how are you? My goodness. That is so freaking cool. When I see a sign that says sunflower garden, I didn't actually imagine a sunflower garden. I just thought it was going to be a garden. That is so cool. Alright, on to the next. Let's go.
Oh.
Australian Open is on. This is the TV lounge.
As a ranker with new balls.
Matt, if we have more time, we'd stay.
The Australian Open's on at the moment, so that would have been good to stay and sit at the TV lounge. But we have one more terminal to check out, so
Yes.
we cannot.
And we also need to check out the food because we are hungry.
And we have $20 left. Let's go find some food.
Let's go find some food. Let's go find Terminal 1 and find some food. Onto the train now to catch the train to Terminal 1 on the train.
How are we getting there?
So we're gonna go by the train. Welcome to Terminal 1. Attraction number 1 is this. It's very pretty.
It's the Harry Potter snake enclosure.
Oh yeah, where's the glass? We have this dragon. Did you see that? It's pretty cool. Asia's first and only rooftop airport pool. I'm not, what does that say? I'm not a horse. Hee hee. We could go for a swim.
Yeah, it would have been awesome.
That's pretty damn cool.
Next time.
Will has gone to inspect what is up these stairs. Uno memento. Oh, he's back. Anything?
Some boardwalk thing outside there.
Can we go on it?
Yeah, let's try find it.
It is raining and it is hot out here. But if you want to go for a walk, this is the place for it. Alright, the time is 4 minutes until 3 and step count is 13,500. It's time for food.
Lunch is done, now onto the water lily garden.
On to the next. The water lily garden.
And smokers area,
Yes.
even though all the signs say no smoking.
It's no smoking over here.
Ah.
It's smoking over there. Very cool. Cactus Garden. This is so cool. Jokes. Don't touch cactus.
still got $4.95 to spend. So go spend it and then we'll go sit at our gate.
$4.80.
White chop. What do you reckon?
Okay, done. This is the chosen winner. Let's go.
Alright, that's now the end of our time in Singapore Airport. We have explored them all. We've been to Jewel, Terminal 3, Terminal 2, Terminal 1. Spent all our money. Got our snack. And now we're just going to chill out.
See you in the next one.